Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers, showing you the armor contest that's coming up in Pensacola in a few months if you'd like to build tanks. And if you haven't checked out the Panhandle Automotive Modeling Society page on Facebook, you can check that out. But we're here today showing you what we got from the swap meet last week and combining it with What Did You Get Wednesday from Joe at Big Sky Model Works out there in Montana. That was me and Shaggy and Bill and Harry. Oh, we had a blast at the swap meet. There was lots of great kits. There's me and Mike. And there was some great scores to be had. Some of the guys picked up all kinds of kits. I mean, there was just a huge variety. If you didn't find what you want, you simply weren't looking hard enough. And this Bone Daddy bike, that's a good kit. Some could even barely carry away what they got. So this is the first thing that I got at the swap meet. It was a kind of a $5 you get what you get thing from my friend Bill. And I have to say, I think he snookered me. I think he had a box of stuff that he didn't want, because this is not a 50 Ford pickup truck. This is a bunch of decals, Mustang instructions, a Mustang funny car body with about a 1/4 inch of paint on it. No, that's only an 1/8 of an inch. I got another funny car body. Now this one's got the 1/4 inch of paint on it. Oh, good golly. Gonna need an industrial. Look at the run on that one. Might even need a sandblaster to clean off that body. But there was a couple chassis in here, so yeah, why not? Helping a buddy out, and you know what? Actually, if nothing else, I do need a couple Hemi valve covers. And to buy one and shipping and all that would have cost me $5 anyways. So either way, at least something in here will come to use. I know that. Bill, you old turkey. Love you, buddy. Luckily for me, this wasn't the best thing that I got. Luckily, that wasn't the best thing I got. I also picked up this for about half that price. And it's a brand new kit, and I have never built any of the old Mercuries. I don't know why. Maybe just because I didn't know what I want to do with it. And I still don't, but this one is still bagged, even though it was semi-sealed. Still bagged up and in great shape inside. A lot of the decals, and hey, what's this? Ha! Check it out. A model box to fold up and put in with your displays. Why not? Hey, round two. Why don't you do this a little bit more often? Give us nice little surprises like that. Ooh! And look, the cat sticker. Yeah, that'll be going on my toolbox, I think. Keep that out because I know it's going on soon. So I finally got an old Mercury to build. Will I chop the top? Will I make it stock? Will I turn it into something cool and fancy? Well, you know that's going to happen. All right. Thank you, Mike, for the wonderful deal. Even though I know it hurts you to separate from it, I promise to treat it good. Also picked up this Dodge L700 truck for $15. It still had the shrink wrap on it, most of it, but it was ripped in a couple places, and as I was walking around, it kind of fell off, so I took this off. I've had a sneak peek of Tiffany over at Dirt Road Cinderella she's building one of these and doing something fancy with it. I'm not going to tell you what, because we'll let her do that. But be sure to keep an eye out for Tiffany's version of this. I think you'll like it. But I like these race carriers, and you can never have enough of the race car transports. Everything inside was sealed up. Like I said, it still had the shrink wrap on it. This is part of it, and that's got the sticker on it. Oh, and look, when he got it, it was 54 bucks, 55 bucks. So picking this up for 15, yeah, that's a pretty good deal. I've got way too many to start on this right now, so that'll take a little bit of time. Plus, I might steal some of Tiffany's ideas, just because she's so talented. Last and not least, I think was my best score of the swap meet. I apologize for some of my letters. I finally got new dentures after the Tinker dogs made off with them and chewed them up in the backyard, and it's taken me a little bit to learn how to talk without slurring everything again. But we'll get there. Then you can hear my wonderful singing voice again. Anyways, this was, I think, my best score at the swap meet, and I actually had to fight for it. I actually had to fight for it. What is it? Well, after knockdown, drag out fight with Shaggy, I walked away with the Grim Reaper. Look at that. Tom Daniels special. Still sealed perfectly. This looks absolutely beautiful. If you know me, I love motorcycles. I don't build a whole lot of them, but I love riding them. I've spent many miles on motorcycles and eaten quite a few bugs. But this is going to be sweet. Yeah, I think this is a 1/8 scale. And this I can't wait to build. As soon as I'm done with a couple group builds, this will be going on the bench. I don't care that it's sealed, but I love it. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today on this episode of What Did You Get Wednesday, sponsored by Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop in Montana. Make sure you check him out. Check out Tiffany for her great builds. And of course, come back and see me whenever I post something new. Hit that like and comments and notification stuff, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers. Hey, you know what? Get out in front of the TV, put your phone down, go build something. See you guys next time.